Hello, I'm Aruna, and these are today's T20 headlines. From railways stepping up for stranded passengers to diplomatic symbolism and legal updates, we've got all the major stories covered. Let's dive right in. First up, Indian Railways comes to the rescue. With Indigo facing operational chaos, 116 extra coaches have been added across 37 premium trains to help stranded passengers. In politics, a bright heliconia plant at PM Modi and President Putin's meeting caught everyone's attention. The tropical flower symbolizes warmth and diplomatic energy in India-Russia relations. Breaking from the Supreme Court, justices warned Kerala's government and governor that if they don't appoint vice-chancellors soon, the court will step in and do it themselves. Here's a surprise. Bihar holds India's largest gold reserves, spread across regions like Jamui. These reserves could significantly boost economic growth and mining potential nationwide. From the United States, the Trump administration signals plans to expand travel restrictions to over 30 countries, citing national security concerns. This has sparked major international controversy. In legal news, Jammu and Kashmir registered 42 POCSO cases this year and disposed of 23, marking the highest disposal count in 5 years for child protection cases. Environmental update from Telangana. The High Court accepted Hydro Commissioner A.V. Ranganath's unconditional apology in a contempt case related to the Batukama Kunta land dispute. Business Spotlight. India's IPO boom continues as new age companies from fintech to e-commerce choose India for their public debuts, building the nation's economic future. A positive note on governance, India's electoral roll reforms are adding global credibility, proving once again that India conducts elections with excellence and transparency. And finally, for entrepreneurs, experts share insights on growing independent insurance agencies by offering multiple products and carriers to meet diverse consumer needs. That's all for today's T20 headlines. Stay informed, stay ahead. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next edition with more top stories.